I recently received my Diveblues quick drying towel. I'm actually going to be taking it out of the package and showing you the amazing pattern and what it looks like. First and foremost, let's appreciate that it comes in a little bag. So it's super portable, easy to take on the go. Take it with you. Take a look at that. So cute. You could definitely carry it with you. So nice. The same pattern that is on this little bag is actually on the towel itself. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out and show you what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the package. Take a look at how nice and vibrant these colors are. Definitely perfect for on the go, for your beach vacation. Super absorbent towel. Go ahead and unroll it. As you can see, super long towel. It's actually double-sided, so take a look. That is one of the sides, the patterns, and then I'm going to go ahead and flip it over and show you the other side. Take a look. I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up on that material. Super duper nice, very big. I'm going to actually wrap it around myself, and it is actually quite big. Like I mentioned, this is a 60 by 30, but I'm actually arm width apart, and it actually wraps all the way around me. So this is perfect for yourself, perfect for your kids, and it's great to take on the go with you. It has a little stretchy band here with the brand name Diveblues, so definitely something that you could put on your arm. Make sure that it doesn't get lost. Once you're done, simply lay it out to air dry, and then you could fold it back and place it back in your baggie. I would highly recommend check out all the amazing styles and colors that they have available.